Welcome to FooDooLoo, where we know what we chew. In this episode, we're going over substitutes for cream. Cream is a versatile ingredient that adds richness, texture, and a velvety mouthfeel to a variety of foods, including soups and desserts. However, due to dietary restrictions, health-conscious choices, or simply running out of cream, you may require a suitable substitute. Fortunately, there are numerous options that not only mimic the properties of cream, but can also improve your culinary creations with distinct flavors and textures. Let us know what you'd like to see next by leaving a comment below. Also, remember to hit the like and subscribe button while you're at it too. Number 1. Coconut milk and coconut cream. Coconut milk and coconut cream are great plant-based alternatives to dairy cream. Coconut milk, made from the flesh of mature coconuts, has a thinner consistency similar to light cream, whereas coconut cream is thicker, similar to heavy cream. Both alternatives add a delicate tropical taste to your recipes, making them perfect for curries, soups, and desserts. Coconut milk works well in savory meals like Thai curries, adding a rich and creamy texture while tempering the intensity of the spices. Coconut cream, on the other hand, is ideal for making dairy-free whipped cream, flavoring vegan ice creams, or enhancing a velvety pumpkin pie. When using coconut milk or cream, full-fat versions are recommended for the best results because the fat content is critical in duplicating the texture of traditional cream. Number 2. Cashew Cream. Cashew cream is another fantastic dairy-free alternative, especially popular in vegan cooking. It's made by soaking raw cashews in water and then blending them into a smooth, thick paste. Cashew cream is incredibly versatile, offering a neutral flavor that can be easily customized with additional ingredients, such as nutritional yeast for a cheesy taste or lemon juice for a tangy kick. This cream substitute is perfect for sauces, soups, and even desserts. Cashew cream can be used as a base for creamy pasta sauces, replacing the need for heavy cream while maintaining the desired richness. Additionally, it can be sweetened and flavored to create a luxurious topping for desserts, like fruit tarts or dairy-free cheesecakes. The beauty of cashew cream lies in its adaptability, allowing it to seamlessly blend into both sweet and savory dishes. Number 3. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a high-protein alternative to cream that brings a tangy flavor and thick consistency to dishes. It's an excellent substitute for sour cream in dips, dressings, and baked goods, providing a similar texture with the added benefit of probiotics. Greek yogurt is also lower in fat and calories compared to traditional cream, making it a healthier option for those looking to lighten up their meals. When using Greek yogurt as a cream substitute, it's best to choose plain, unsweetened varieties to avoid altering the flavor profile of your dish. You can use it in place of cream in recipes like stroganoff, where the yogurt's tang complements the richness of the sauce. Lastly, Greek yogurt can be used to create creamy salad dressings, adding a zesty twist while maintaining a smooth, luscious texture. Number 4. Silken Tofu. Silken tofu is a popular plant-based cream substitute, particularly in vegan and vegetarian cooking. This soft tofu has a high water content, giving it a smooth, custard-like texture when blended. Silken tofu is flavor neutral, making it an adaptable ingredient that can be used in both sweet and spicy dishes. Silken tofu works well in recipes where you need a thickening agent, such as in soups, sauces, or desserts like mousse. For instance, you can blend silken tofu with melted chocolate to create a rich and creamy vegan chocolate mousse, or add it to soups for a velvety finish without the need for dairy. On top of that, silken tofu can be used as a base for creamy salad dressings, or as a substitute for heavy cream in baked goods, offering a lighter, protein-packed alternative. Number 5. Almond milk. Almond milk is a popular dairy-free alternative that's widely available and easy to use as a cream substitute. While it's thinner than traditional cream, it can be thickened with cornstarch or flour to achieve a similar consistency. Almond milk has a mild, nutty flavor that works well in both sweet and savory dishes. In savory cooking, almond milk can be used in soups and sauces where a lighter texture is desired. For example, you can create a creamy tomato soup by substituting almond milk for cream, or use it in a white sauce for pasta. In baking, almond milk is a great substitute for cream in recipes like cakes or muffins, adding moisture without overpowering the other flavors. When choosing almond milk, opt for the unsweetened variety to maintain control over the sweetness of your dish. Number 6. Oat milk. Oat milk has gained popularity as a dairy-free alternative, especially for those with nut allergies. It has a creamy texture and mild flavor, making it an excellent substitute for cream in a variety of dishes. Oat milk is particularly effective in recipes that require a smooth, rich texture, such as lattes, soups, and sauces. Oat milk's natural sweetness makes it a great choice for desserts and baked goods, where it can replace cream without the need for additional sugar. For example, you can use oat milk in a custard recipe or as a base for homemade ice cream. Additionally, oat milk froths well, making it a favorite among baristas for creating creamy, dairy-free lattes. When using oat milk as a cream substitute, consider thickening it with a small amount of flour or cornstarch if a thicker consistency is needed. Number 7. Avocado. Avocado may not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think of cream substitutes, but its creamy texture and healthy fats make it a unique and nutritious alternative. Avocado's mild flavor allows it to blend seamlessly into both sweet and savory dishes, adding a rich, buttery consistency. In savory cooking, avocado can be used to create creamy pasta sauces, replacing heavy cream while providing a dose of healthy monounsaturated fats. For a quick and easy sauce, blend avocado with garlic, lemon juice, and olive oil, and toss it with your favorite pasta. Avocado can also be used in desserts, such as chocolate mousse or pudding, where its creamy texture pairs well with the richness of cocoa. That's all we have for now. Whether you're looking for a dairy-free option, a healthier alternative, or simply a way to add a new twist to your favorite recipes, these cream substitutes offer a world of possibilities. From the tropical richness of coconut milk to the protein-packed goodness of Greek yogurt, each alternative brings its own unique qualities to the table. Thank you for joining us on this delicious exploration. Stay tuned to FooDooLoo for more culinary adventures, tips, and recipes by hitting the subscribe and notification bell. Remember to comment what you'd like to see next and hit our like button. Until next time, bon appetit!